is simple. Do you know cottage cheese is also called Dutch cheese? Cottage cheese supports electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals. A cup of cottage cheese have more protein than 2 eggs, and we want to share this delicious and simple recipe. Dutch ice cream peach. But you can use any of your favorite fruit. You will need 2 cups of cottage cheese, low fat, 1 cup of monk sugar or regular sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of frozen peaches, 1½ cup of peaches, jam if you're going to do popsicles sticks covered with chocolate, 1 cup of dark chocolate, and 2 teaspoons of canned oil and popsicles mold. Add in your blender cottage cheese, frozen peaches, sugar, and vanilla. Blend until a creamy texture. Empty into your bowl and add your peach jam and mix lightly with a fork and let it freeze. For popsicle sticks, put in place the wood sticks and fill the mold with the mixture.
A little fun fact, you don't have to freeze it. It tastes really good like this as well. It tastes like pudding or even yogurt. So if you don't want to freeze it or make it into popsicles, eating it just like this and just refrigerating it tastes really good.
We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.